Hello. While the world is buzzing with launching agents via Agentforce, today we'll look at a very interesting topic of how to do testing for these Agentforce agents. First and foremost, we need to understand that testing agents is different by design, and then we'll look at how TestZeus agents can come to the rescue and help you out test the Agentforce agents that you're building and deploying in production. So the first core principle that we need to understand is that in the older days, we had, let's say, a deterministic UX, wherein if you fill out the account detail page with first name, last name, and other details, the exact same details would make it to the record. But on the other hand, now we have non-deterministic UX. Thanks to interfaces like ChatGPT, you can understand that if you ask it a question, what is 2 minus 2 equal to? While it will give the answer as 0, it will add a small statement with its own flair, just like how your Agentforce agents, whether they are AI SDRs, BDRs, or service agents deployed in production would behave. If somebody would ask them, let's say for a refund, there will be a non-deterministic nature of the agent which needs to be tested. And interestingly, that is where the standard tools and solutions in the market don't apply and can be done only through agents like the ones from TestZeus. We strongly believe in showing and not telling. So let's jump on to a quick demo. Here on my screen, as you can see, I have built out a small test case. The test case is as simple as given I log into Agentforce login URL, which is my demo org, and I land on the home screen and I'm chatting with an agent called Agentforce. And I click on the Agentforce button next to the star icon and then proceed. When I enter summarize the content in the describe your task or ask a question and hit enter and I wait for a response, then I see the contact summary or a key value from the contact summary in the chat response from Agentforce. While I've hit live test for this test case, and you can see that there is a live browser on the right hand side, the key thing to focus over here is that how intuitive and simple it is writing these agentic test cases in natural English language. No locators, no expats, promise. All you have to do is just prompt the agent from TestZeus or write the test case in a free-flowing format which can be followed by it, and then it will perform the agent testing for your Agentforce agent. That being said, while the test case is running, we'll go ahead and look at an existing test run. So one of the earlier test runs that I had done was around the contact chat test that I was just showing. And if we hit on the test run details, we can see that it was completed and passed. Not only can we see all the steps executed by the agent on the left hand side, we can also see a small video and the other artifacts which were there for this execution session, so that you can have full accountability of all the actions taken by the agents for testing out the Agentforce deployment. At the bottom, we can also see that we capture the traces, which will load up in a second. And then what you can also see that we also capture all the artifacts so that you know if the agent has been tested correctly or not. So that is how very quickly you can do agentic testing of your Agentforce agents. That is how not only can you test it, but then also certify all your Agentforce deployments in production. Lightning, simple, Salesforce testing is what we strongly believe in at TestZeus. Don't forget to visit our booth at TDX Bengaluru on the 2nd and 3rd May. Thank you.